Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot second generation Indian version. I got this baby from Amazon and it already came with a Prime subscription of 1 month for free. So here I go. As you can see, this is what's inside the box. Comes with lots of airbags, nothing much really. Now, this is what we are looking for here. Oh yeah, and it came with the billing also, which I have no use. So, let's take this baby out. As you can see, it's a really tiny box that Amazon has got for us over here. Let me focus on it. Not focusing. Okay. So, it says to tear it off over here. Let's see what's inside. So you pull this one out, nothing's inside, and this is all we get. Nothing much. It's a good box though, pretty unusual. Okay, so we have the power cable over here, a standard USB cable. These are the cards, I guess. The Echo Dot Prime membership, no use. The manual, no use. Now, this is what we were waiting for, but before this one, I have to take out the charger, which is pretty big, really big. So, this is the charger over here. It's a standard 9-watt charger. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's a 9-watt charger right here. It's pretty good looking. Black and white. This Amazon tag over here. And here goes the USB. Now, let's take a look at the screen. So, as usual, this is how it looks inside the package. Yeah. So I'll just peel this one off. So, here it is. Pretty much what we were waiting for. The 4 keys right over here, the action key, the microphone mute key, the volume up and volume down. The bottom portion is pretty rubbery, as you can see, and here is the USB port and the microphone jack. Now there's something I want to say which I've seen many Indians do if they make a mistake. They tell you that these rings over here are the speakers. Well, that's not correct. These rings are the microphone. Inside these grills there are 7 microphones placed, so this baby can pick up your voice from anywhere, any direction. These are not the actual speakers. Well, the speakers are down below. You can see the grills over here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but these are the actual speakers. There is one, and this white area, this is the LED. It's an RGB LED, so it can pretty much make any color. So I'm gonna be setting this up pretty soon, and I'll upload a video of that too. If you guys like it, please let me know. Hit the like icon, and if you want to know anything, just pin it down in the comments. Thank you. Ciao.